Inspiration comes from within yourself. One has to be positive. When you're positive, good things happen. This was actually said and written by Deep Roy. And then I always give two, don't I? Yeah. This one is wake up, determined, go to sleep, satisfied. Very soon I'll be going to the Bible to refresh my brain. There's so many scriptures as well and things that we need to be reminded of, and of course get over, ourselves right with the Lord. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tanya. I'm so happy to have you here. Normal day. There is no need to straighten the hair out. Be yourself. Thanks for those who engage with me in all my recent and previous videos, and for telling your friends and your family about my channel. I appreciate it. I wish you guys all the very best. I know you guys love to see when mom chef up in the kitchen, and some people get it twisted, not understanding when it's me cooking or when it's my mom cooking, but trust me, there is a huge difference there. Okay, and yeah, let's just continue to support one another. I keep saying that, and be kind one to another, and shed some positive light and words and encouragement to each other. It does help. It really does help. I was watching someone's video actually earlier on this morning, and honestly, every single thing that she said, oh God, it was so true. I even felt so guilty myself. Are we connecting with the Lord first thing? Are we putting him first in every single thing? Are we greeting him first in every single thing? And although yes, we say we love him, but what are we doing to even show that connectivity, and I am personally guilty of that sometimes. So yeah, it just sits well with me there. Like, it's, when I said sits well with me, I mean it connected with me. God, this phone is always distracting me. Like, when I keep doing a video, then I just keep getting messages. But anyway, gonna have breakfast. Not gonna keep the intro long, but thank you guys so much for your love. Let's go. Voiceover.
Some chicken liver with some boiled banana, no fried dumpling, no cooked dumpling.
And why is that?
Because I'm not in the mood.
It's very obvious.
Yeah, I'm not in the mood.
It's not that you're not in the, it's just that you're tired and you just need to rest. Yeah, definitely.
Something just simple.
I just like me and my mom, so we're not really fussy. But yeah, obviously you can have your chicken liver with your fried dumpling or your boiled dumpling. Is totally up to you. Anything at all that you guys want it to be. Like for us, to be honest with you, we're just so simple. I think this is the simplest house in the world, to be honest with you.
Very simple.
We just throw it down, and because it's just me and my mom, that we're good. Right, Mom?
Yeah.
Oh, let me see if my hand can handle this pot. And then some boiled banana there. Yeah. Yeah, they do look soft actually, to be fair. Yeah. Lifting up this pot cover up with my hand is just not handing. Yeah. Really, really tired, even myself as well. Why is the chest feeling like there is a cold coming back on again? I don't understand it. Yeah, definitely. But we keep it pretty simple up in here. I mean, we cook and eat whatever we want to eat. Obviously with chicken liver, I know it's a what do you call it? It's iconic with like fried dumpling and with boiled dumpling. But honeys, if you're tired and you just want to go in the kitchen and get out, make it simple, okay? Don't stress yourself because it needs to be, or it must be paired with something, especially if it's just you and your mom, or you and your husband, or you and your boyfriend, or you and your girlfriend, or you and your whoever, or you and yourself. Yes, because there are people that live by themselves and they just take it so easy and simple. So simplicity at its best around here. Yeah, no fuss, no nothing. We just keep it very, very nonchalant. Nice. Yeah, I mean, I did taste peas as well.
Really nice.
It tastes good.
I put a lot of garlic as well.
She loves to cook with her garlic too.
Love it.
Garlic is good, no? It adds so many flavors.
Yeah.
Lovely chicken liver with some soft boiled bananas. That's what's going to go down. I'm going to have it with some chamomile tea as well. You can see like bell peppers, tomatoes, and this is nicely cooked and was seasoned really well. I've got to put the tablecloth underneath the plate because obviously it's so hot.